Are you looking to increase your sales in your Hostco store? Here are 3 tips from our top selling hosts that I want to share with you today. First, share your store link and your automated messaging on your booking platform, whether it's your PMS, Airbnb, or anything else. And make sure to share it at booking 1 week before check-in and at check-in, because a lot of the products in your Hostco store will probably need a lead time of up to a week, whether it's booking a massage or requesting a late checkout. And with our request and approve feature, you'll never be blindsided by anything because you'll have to approve anything before the payment goes through. Secondly, customize that automated message to include what you offer in your store. If you have private chef or meditation or axe throwing in your area, mention some of those. If you'd like to book a local experience in downtown Nashville or a late checkout, feel free to check out our store. This gives guests more of a reason to click the link and explore what you offer. Our third tip is try adding your guest book or any other links to your store to give guests more of a reason to be there. A lot of times what our top selling hosts will do is they'll add their guidebook or their welcome book to the top of their store and pin it. And what this does is it cuts down on the links that you need to send. So you can send your guest a Hostco store link and say, hey, welcome, thanks for booking our home. To check out our house rules and local recommendations, visit our guidebook here. You can also book a late checkout, spa, amenities, or anything else we offer. This enables your guests to essentially enter and exit through the gift shop as they go on their way to your welcome book. Giving guests more reason to visit your store increases traffic to the rest of your products. Those are some of our top tips from our best-selling hosts. What are some of the things that you've tried that have worked well? Let us know.